So Saturday is for Zobo making. You can see my pot already boiling. See how thick and refreshing it is. You know what it has a great impact on your health. So I choose all nutritious, healthy fruits Zobo for my family. Direct from Next Birthday's kitchen. So you can see my watermelon, okay, blended and ready for use. This is my pawpaw papaya. Pawpaw is a kind of fruit, so I want it all fruits, no artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener. So this is me blending my papaya to be added to my Zobo juice. So this is my choice of fruit. You can choose your choice of fruits, okay? My papaya. I want all natural sweetness of this Zobo. I don't want any artificial sweetener. So all fruits. Here's me washing my clothes. You know, clothes has a whole lot of health benefits. It is medicinal. So I added it to my Zobo, to the pot before cooking. Cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. You know, cinnamon stick also has a lot of health benefits. It has a whole lot of medicinal benefits to our general well-being. So I added cinnamon stick. You can choose what works for you. Washing my ginger, cutting into tiny sizes. You know, I love my Zobo to have this peppish feeling. And here is me washing my hibiscus or Zobo leaf. Ensure you wash it because most times in the market is exposed to dust, to sand and all that. Hibiscus leaf, my Zobo leaf. You can see the sand, see the settlement here. See the sand settlement. You can also hear the sound of stone. That is why it's important you wash your Zobo or hibiscus leaf. Wash it. So I go in with my pineapple parts. Okay, this is the peels for my pineapples. Okay, I have the blended fruits of pineapple already. I have my watermelon. Okay, also have it here. You can add the fruits that is appealing to you. I have plenty of pineapples. I have my papaya. You can see I have a whole lot of them because I'm set for this Zobo. I want to give my family a nourishing taste of Zobo juice. Here's me adding my cloves to the pot, my cinnamon stick, also added to the pot for onward cooking. After which I gave it a 10 minutes cook before I added the blended fruits. Do you like Zobo? Let me know from the comment section. You know, Zobo is so healthy. You can see my pot is filled with natural ingredients. It's so medicinal, it's so healthy, so nutritious for you. When you have this, it will save you the stress of consuming carbonated or caffeinated products or caffeinated beverages. Okay, so this is my pot of Zobo. You can see it's so tantalizing, so healthy, so nourishing. You can see it's so thick and love it when it's thick. Okay, how do you like your Zobo? Now it is ready. You can see me sieving the Zobo juice into a container for onward addition of the blended fruits. Do you like Zobo? This is direct from Next Birthday's kitchen. So healthy, so tantalizing, so refreshing, so nutritious. Now, time for the real job. You can see me adding my blended watermelon. I didn't add water to the blending because I want all natural sweetness, no artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener. So I didn't add water to blend my fruits. Okay, and and I added my blended pawpaw papaya. You can see me sieving my blended pawpaw into my pot of Zobo juice. Okay, and here is my date, my blended date. You know, date has this natural sweetness. Okay, so I added it, and it also has some medicinal property. I added it to my Zobo. Here is my pawpaw. Here is my pineapple, blended pineapple seed into my pot of Zobo juice. You know, pineapple, I so much love pineapple because of its natural sweetness. So it's refreshing. Added to my Zobo will give it a super taste. Okay, so here comes my cup of healthy, nutritious fruit Zobo goodness. To have a sip.